Jamaicans that living in the US are coming down. This is the process. See them? Having a bag from Tuesday. Today Friday. The flight come and guess what? Nobody coming out with no bags. Them I tell you for God we are. This is what it's like. Don't come down here, don't come on JetBlue. No relief, nothing. Don't bring no relief come on Jamaica. This is what it is. Arms house, dirty people. Them don't give a fuck. This is what it's like. People frustrated. Them come down to help them family and this is how we are get. Be a disrespect.
Well, I want my viewers and subscribers. Boy, I see now man lay upon it again. I see the lady come out and she talk about how much days she come and can't get her stuff them from Norman Manley. And when Bujo come out, you know, I go on like a lie Bujo a tell. What me could not hold on for the people them things? I take on want to take the people them things too. Eh? The people that me see the whole of people me see in their background a quarrel and look frustrated and want them things and can't get them. The people that ship them things them for the Jamaican people them can benefit from it. Why the stuff then company flight and the people then can't get them? Why? How much them have to keep on a come back and Norman Manley days and top of days to clear them stuff? How are really go on with Norman Manley International Airport? And what them really are deal with? Uno make things look away. Uno start look suspicious now. Uno start look very suspicious now. Yeah, man. Uno look suspicious in a real life. Because me can't see through why the people then can't get them things. You can't see frustration from the people them. Uno go like uno take Jamaican people for fool, you know, all the while, you know. For we same Jamaican people then go on like then take we for fool. Uno need to make the people then get them stuff. Clear the people that stuff make them get if you go help the people them with them want go help. The people them in need and need the help. I don't know hold on for the people that stuff and I run them round in a circle every day then come is a different story. What really wrong with you, Norman Manley? You don't free up the people them things when I stop on a fuck around or go on without them. You don't do too much foolishness. People tired of you. I don't know, I do them something there still, you know. But true Bujo exposed, you know, but see one next woman come out and I show the people them who are really are going out there. So you know, say, I don't lie the people them I tell pound. You don't feel better than one I do, man. People tired of you, man. Anyway, you see one next video I go on here with. This man come out. Me not even know if he say if a man or a young boy or a who. Me don't know if he call him. But me see him talk about Christopher Martin a fish. And Christopher Martin have Panama type of thing. But look here.
Yes, I come back again for you, Christopher Martin. Christopher Martin. Yeah, you are a big deal. Move your blood clot. You are a batty man. Cause remember they catch you from Pinkwall a soccer hood. Then catch you from Pinkwall Christopher Martin a soccer hood. I remember Christopher Martin, the man hood where you suck. The man come from Panama and the man lead the video. Christopher Martin, you say, and I'm look at my phone, I'm gonna find the video with your sock hood, I'm gonna post it to Christopher Martin. Cause them see up Pinkwall a sock hood and I take a back as. Christopher Martin, you're a fish, you know. You're a fish. You're a blood clot fish. You have a picnic them, Christopher Martin. Where I teach them for those who got turn fish like you too. Eh? You pick them if you get take away. Then if you get take away, okay, and I said no example, it's a fish, and my sister left you, boy, you can run up and blood clot me. Eh? Batty boy, me no love man. Batty boy, go suck your mother, Christopher Martin, go suck out your big pussy mama.
Me nah go say a lie and me nah say a true because me love Christopher Martin from Rising Star days and him not portray himself to be a fish to me, but anyway behind closed door you don't know what people really are do. But me nah go run out and judge him and say this and say that. But in another video you things sound shaky on the artist side. Things sound shaky, but anyway nobody know if a liar or true that nigga you tell still, you know, so me I go watch and see and make it unfold. Him say him have video, he must see if him find in him phone. Well, if him find the video, then me can say, alright then, I true him talking about for now. It's just a speculation and me I wait to see the outcome of it. Cause brother, if you don't have no proof, and you put out a man name and a tarnish a man name out, then a disgrace a man, well, me don't know what going to be the outcome of this. But anyway, bless up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. Wanna have a blessed evening.